Alright, Infiniti Q50. Up here is just a cover. Just pop it off. Master cylinder, brake fluid reservoir. Remove the cover so you can wash the fluid and makes the piston compress easier. 21mm lug nut removes your rim. Come in here. You got two 14mm. One there. One there. Removes your caliper. Let's do that now. Alright, when you remove both 14s, sometimes you could just get the caliper off right there. Just want to rest it up here. This is dual piston. I'm going to remove both old brake pads now. Alright, so you got to compress your piston. I'm using 2 C-clamps with an old brake pad. Let's do that now. Alright, both pistons compressed. Take note of your wear strip. This is your inside pad. Inside pad, outside pad. You just want to make sure that hook there gonna basically go, you want it to go inside your pad like so. So you're gonna push in and bring the spring back with the pad. Sorry about that, I had my pad turned backwards, that's why I was having a hard time. Alright, so pad goes in like this. Push it on top of the spring. And also inside the lip there. Just like that. Same thing on the rear. Alright, new pads installed. Put back on your caliper. Push these in so they don't block you. Alright, caliper is installed. Just want to put back in your 14mm in the rear. Tighten them by hand first. Alright, both 14s installed and tight. Come back. Repeat the process on the other side. Come up here. Cover your reservoir so it's on. Back on your cover. Put your tire back on. Pump your brake pedal before you move off. That's the Infiniti front brake pad replacement. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, hit that like button. See you next time.